so update, the puppy is down here. I've given it bed, towel, like a fourth of a carrot to kind of chew on for its teeth, 'cause it's teething. I cooked an egg for it. I've given it water, some crackers from a little bit more carbs. Unfortunately, I don't know what we're gonna do today because we have to watch a puppy all day. So we spoke with some locals, and some of the locals did say that there's like this main cat area here in town, and they did say that there were other dogs like this. So like I think it has siblings that are still here. So we're gonna go take it back to that like little cat area, and a lot of the locals do still take care of the dog. Like one of the locals I was talking to said that there's a lady that was feeding it, playing with it, and put it like in a little sheltered area yesterday to avoid like the first rain. So we're gonna take it back out there and see maybe if one of the locals or a shelter will come pick it up from that area today, because people do know that they're out there. And if not, then the shelter is open tomorrow. And if the dog is still out there, then we're gonna go take the dog to the shelter tomorrow. It is passed out at the moment, so we're gonna let it take a nap until it wakes up, and then we're gonna take it down there. So we just dropped off the puppy in the main square. I'm probably gonna go back and check on it, but there were crowds and crowds and crowds of people around it, and a bunch of people that were concerned about it. So I'm hoping that maybe a local can do something more than I can do. I did protect it from a storm last night. It had a super full belly. It like refused the last food I tried to give it, refused the water I tried to give it. So I think it's full, it's happy, it's itching a lot less. So I'm really sad. I almost cried leaving it. It's really hard, but I'm hoping a local can do something more, and I'm gonna let the shelter know that that's where the dog is at. Logan and I are now grabbing the Gyro Kings, and then we are going to go grocery shopping and get prepared for the weekend. Our view on the way to the grocery store. That's crazy. All right, so all the grocery stores are already closed. It's like past 5 p.m. so I kind of expected that on a Sunday, not gonna lie.
Kind of woke up a little bit late for that.
Yeah, a long night. So we just walked around. We walked around to the bay, in the front of the bay where I'd walked around, where Logan was not with me. But this time I got to talk to a lot of people about boat tours. And I think we're gonna do a private boat tour and spend a whole day on the water and seeing most of Montenegro.
Yeah, so it takes you to Our Lady of the Rock, Blue Cave, yeah, the prison, all that. They said drone footage is okay. So we're thinking if we get a private tour, we'll have a little bit more time to take drone footage, and it's a little bit more personable with our driver. So. And
he said we could go all day. He's like, you can book it all day, and it's only $80 per person.
Yeah.
So.
And it's his company, so he sounds like he knows what he's doing.
Exactly. So now we are going to go back to the top of the wall where we were at last night before it started thunderstorming, because the clouds and the way the sun is hitting the mountains right now is gorgeous, and I really want to go see that from up there. we came back after walking around the town and seeing beautiful scenery today. Now we're gonna go out and get some dinner, and I kind of want to come home and do a movie night. I don't know what Logan has in mind though, so I'm hoping he says movie night. Logan! Alright, dinner was pretty good for the price. We only paid €6 for a pasta, and Logan's was like €9, and his was like a chicken pesto. Now I'm gonna go to this place that has like dessert cakes that are super cute. I've been wanting to get them. I saw them last night when I got gelato, and so now I'm gonna get one tonight. So the dessert place I wanted was actually like everything was completely sold out because it honestly looks so good. So I got a place next door. I got a honey cake and some type of like caramel like waffle type of wrap. So it sounds delicious, and I've never tried a honey cake before. It's almost movie time. Before that, I am going to try these. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my God, that is so good. That is so good. It almost kind of tastes like those Biscoff like biscuits, but like creamy and soft. Oh, whew. Oh my God, that is delicious. All right, I'm gonna try this waffle thing now. Oh my God. I can't pick my favorite. This is so good. It's like caramely with like a little bit of a crunch. Like, I don't know which one I like better. These are so good. All right, movie time.
So today is the day I get my new computer from work. It is 8 a.m. and Abby and I are gonna take a taxi over to a cafe to meet up with my colleague Steph, who brought my computer all the way from the States to Montenegro to hand it off to me. I'll probably set it up throughout the day. Very excited to finally have a new computer.
All right, so this is the earliest we've been up here, and it is crazy because people are actually like up and out. Like, I think this is the earliest I've ever seen people up in Europe in a city. It is 8:05, and we're gonna go get a taxi. It's a 2-hour walk, but I guess an 8-minute drive, so I have no idea where we're going. Logan got his computer. Woo! He's super excited. He won't be shocked anymore by his computer. His keys won't press double letters. So he was pressing like R or something like that, or D, and it was in like pressing like 3 of them instead of just 1. So I know he's excited.
It was the letter B. Try to bold something when B types twice. It's impossible.
Well, on the way back, I decided I want to go to a bakery because there is traditional like baked goods that are supposed to be here in Kotor Montenegro, and it's called burak, I think, and it comes in like cheese, meat, potato, and I think there's also a zucchini one. I got the cheese, Logan got the meat, and then I also got like a dessert pastry. It's like a cherry flavored pastry that's also supposed to be really good. So I'm gonna try those now. All right, so I'm gonna try the burak. The burak, I believe that's what it's called. It's supposed to be a cheese inside, so let's see what it's about. It's like the perfect mixture between like savory and like just a hint of sweet. And like it's so doughy in the middle and like flaky on the outside. It is absolutely perfection. And then this is the cherry dessert. Like, look at that. This is absolutely perfect. It's like not too sweet, so it's not super rich, so I won't get sick from it, from eating it. These are perfection.
All right, trying the, what's it called?
Burak.
Burak. Not even lying. This might be a favorite food of mine.
I told you, I knew you were gonna like it this much.
I could eat this every day.
Same. I think I'm gonna go back to the bakery and get more tomorrow.
It's like meat. It tastes like onions, but it's like caramelized. Inside a croissant type thing. That's amazing. It's kind of like not as good as a Polish croquette, but similar. I like the texture better than like the naleśniki that goes around the croquette, but this is good.
I told you, I knew you were gonna like it.
Really good.
All right. Logan opened it for the first time. Okay, so I could not finish them. They are both super filling, so I'm gonna save them for later. I'm probably gonna eat the rest of it for like lunch. I just had like a small breakfast. Now I'm going to clean our place because it is a hot mess. I haven't done anything with it since Logan came back, so there are clothes everywhere, my makeup, blankets, and I'm gonna need to do at least another 2 loads of laundry today. So once Logan got his computer, he's literally done nothing but work today on it. It's like 8 p.m. now, and he's been working since like 8 a.m.
But I just found out that one of my favorite colleagues put in her 2 weeks.
Oh yeah,
Is
it's
leaving
sad.
us.
Very sad.
Yeah.
Because I've heard great things about her, and she messaged me on Instagram, and she seems super cool. But we are now heading out to go get some pizza from the Pronto Pizza place. It's just a quick like fast food option for us, and then we're gonna come home, probably work some more, and then I believe one of our shows, Only Murders in the Building, came out today, so you get to watch it tonight. All right, so the pizza place did not have cheese pizza, so Logan is dead set on trying to find another place to eat. I'm okay.
No,
but
Abby says she's fine and she just won't eat tonight, and I know how that goes. We're getting Abby pizza pronto, but not Pronto Pizza. Some other pizza or something. There's other pizza. There's other pizza.
So we came back to the pasta place that we've eaten at twice now. Logan got it to go one time. I think we're gonna be getting it to go again tonight. And it's been like the best pasta we've had here, so I'm gonna try, it's the truffle pasta tonight. All right, this smells super rich of truffle, so I'm excited to try this. I don't know why I haven't been getting this one every single time. Well, I do know why, because it's super expensive. Well, it's not super expensive, but it's super good. All right, so we missed the window to get food tonight because Logan had a late meeting. So I went and got a banana Nutella crepe from these like little street markets, and then we got a bunch of snacks. So we're having a girl dinner tonight.
I'm